Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another practical computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're covering how to change your PIN on Windows 11 Perfect if you want to update your login for better security or just need a PIN that's easier to remember. We'll go step by step to update your PIN, and I'll share some tips to avoid common issues. Let's keep your PC secure and make logging in a breeze a stick with me, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, click the Start button, that Windows icon on your taskbar. Select Settings. Next, go to Accounts on the left sidebar. Then click Sign In Options. Under Ways to sign in, find PIN, Windows Hello, and click it to expand the section. Click Change PIN. You'll need to enter your current PIN, first type it in carefully. Then, enter your new PIN twice to confirm it, should be at least 4 digits, but make it something unique for better security. If you want to include letters or symbols, check the box for Include Letters and Symbols to make it even stronger. Click OK to save. If you get an error, double-check your current PIN typing. It wrong will block the change. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this. Let me know in the comments if you made your PIN stronger or simpler. I'd love to hear. See you in the next video.